Okay, this is a post about a fairly recent event. It's about Cole Tomas Allen. He attempted a assassination attempt on the President of the United States. And in this post, it said that someone found a photograph of him wearing an Israeli IDF sweatshirt, implying that he is connected somehow with Israel's military. So this is the claim we want to investigate. Is this photo real? Was Cole Tomas Allen really wearing an Israeli sweatshirt? So I'm going to open up a new tab and do some lateral reading. I'm going to search for some of those key terms. And right away, I'm just going to start glancing at the results. I look at the titles where they're from, like Instagram, YouTube, X, and so forth. I look at the poster. Sometimes I'll look a little bit at the titles so I can see if I'm getting relevant results. Right away, I can see that there's a lot of talk about this on social media. But I don't want to use social media to verify this claim. I want to use something a little bit more substantial. So I'm going to skip over anything that's in social media oriented. I'm skipping Instagram. YouTube, I usually pass over, especially if it's not by a very well-known source, because YouTube videos take a long time to listen to, and they're really hard to source. And my goal here is to do this as quickly as possible. So I'm skipping through all of these. Here's something from the New York Post. And that, I pause a little bit, but that's kind of a sketchy source. We might come back to that if we have time. Once again, I'm looking for something that obviously says credibility. Keep going down. Some of these might be credible. And maybe if I took the time to open it, I would find that it is. But once again, my goal is to do this quickly. And so I just want to get the lay of the land. I want to see if there's anything that's a little bit more obvious time saver. I don't see anything on the first page. I'm going to go to the second. Times of India, more social media. Okay, right away. I see something from Snopes, and we've encountered that before. This is a valid claim checking site. So I could open this up, and let me point out something again. Not only is it Snopes, but this little snippet says the authenticity of that image was in question. So that caught my eye. I really want to see what their investigation shows, and they can go through and we could read that. That's pretty informative to me, the fact that they're investigating it. And then here's another one, MSN. Open that up. So they have something in here about questioning the authenticity of that photo. So as we look at this, I would say that there is enough doubt about whether this photo is real that I might want to hold off on believing this claim. In fact, I would certainly want to hold off on sharing it with other people until we learn more about it. And the way we sourced this was we started looking at our lateral reading, looking quickly through the links of sites, skipping over those that were not obvious, and maybe even going to the second page to find the more helpful and quickly helpful sites to look at.